Hello everybody, it's me, Gelatinoso, and welcome to a brand new video. And today we are playing Stickman Legacy. And look, Stick Wall, I mean not Stickman, Stick Wall Legacy. What should I'm gonna go for Classic first.
And I'm second.
Yeah, he's here with me. He's playing his tab while I make videos. Stick Wall Legacy.
And don't forget to subscribe.
In a world called Immortal, you are surrounded by discriminate nations devoted to individual technology and struggle for dominance.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Each society has developed its own unique way. Proud of their unique craft, they have become obsessed to the point of worship, turning weapons to religions. Each believe that their way of life is the only way, and they're dedicated to teaching the politics to other nations through what the leader claim a divine intervention, or as you know, war. The others are known as Archidans, the way of the archer; Swordcraft, the way of the sword; Magical, the way of mage; the Speartons, the way of the spear; and lastly, you are the legion of the nation called the way of peace and knowledge, who worship the weapons as gods and makes mark for infiltration. Your only chances to defend is to attack first and obtain the technology from each nation a long way. This is creeping me out. Whoa. Release the obby then. My turn. Now can I please play? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. The war begins the oxygen. Sure, I will train a miner. Come on, hurry up. And I just skip the tutorial step in the miner to control him.
No.
Mine a bag of rolls in miner.
No.
I will take you.
Hello.
I'm really sorry for what that is, because I am with somebody right now. Oh, hello. I'm just saying hello to a kid. Don't judge me.
We're calling somebody.
Ha. I am very sorry of these annoyances. I hope. Why should I attack? Yeah. Such a wanted to win. Slay that oxygen. Go back before they come. Let's charge. I wonder what this is gonna do. Take him out. Take that thing out.
Bro, how do you make a video?
Destroy it.
No.
Destroy it. Wait. Yeah. Ish.
No.
Destroy it. Come on, man.
Let's make me a YouTube video. YouTube account and let's make me a new.
Okay, later, just as long as I finish this. And don't, as I said, I'm with someone. Don't judge me. It's a boy, not a girl.
I'm not a gay,
Yeah,
right?
he told already.
Please leave a like and a message that I subscribe, please.
Oh. Come on. To war. Destroy that statue. Destroy that effing statue.
Hello?
As I said, forgive me.
I'm hearing long.
Come on, we need to destroy that.
I'm
Help
playing
me.
my tablet. That's normal.
Come on. Yes, build this, and I shall
Lagging.
we shall all work together. We can all be almighty. Come on,
Yes.
come on. It's mine. I want to mine. Yes, I want to mine. Yeah.
Are you drinking the milk of Zia?
Drink it. I want another mine.
Are you drinking the milk of Zia?
Come on, take it. Oh, haha, silly me. It's already full. I am gonna end the episode here. And see you guys in the next episode. I'm just gonna finish this, so see you soon.